In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Power BI desktop version installed on your computer. Knowing your exact version helps with troubleshooting, compatibility, and making sure you're following the right features in tutorials or documentation. First, open Power BI desktop on your computer. This is the standard desktop application for building Power BI reports. If it's pinned to your taskbar, click it there. If not, open your Start menu and search for Power BI desktop. Then launch it, give it a moment to load the splash screen, and open to a blank report or your most recent file. Once Power BI Desktop is open, look to the very top left corner of the window, click the File tab. This opens the main application menu where you manage files, options, and app information. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry. We're heading to the About section next, which is where Microsoft displays the app's version details. Inside the File menu, select About. Depending on your layout or settings, you might find About placed inside the Help section, so it could appear as Help, then About. In most setups, though, About is right at the bottom left of the file menu, easy to spot. Either way, clicking About leads to the same information screen. A pop-up window will appear with detailed information about your Power BI desktop installation. Here you'll see the version number, often shown as a series of numbers that correspond to a specific monthly release, along with the build details. You may also see whether you're running a 64-bit or 32-bit edition. This is the exact value you'll want to reference when comparing with release notes, following along with training content, or sharing details with support. If you're documenting your environment, this is a good place to read the version exactly as shown so you can reference it later. If the About option wasn't in the first place you looked, remember to check Help and then About. The version information is the same regardless of where you open it from, and if you're working across multiple machines at home and work, it's worth checking the version in each place so you know they match, which helps avoid differences in features or visuals. That's all there is to it. By opening Power BI Desktop, going to File and selecting About, you can quickly confirm the precise version installed on your computer. Keep this number handy whenever you're troubleshooting or following a tutorial that mentions a specific release. Thanks for watching.